Hey, it's Mike here from Bash Process, and today's video we're going to be building a puzzle! Yes, it's a Ghostbusters puzzle. So there is 100 pieces to put together. Now the question is are all the pieces still in the box? Probably not, but we'll build it and see how far we get into the puzzle. And we can see the box itself, it's a little bit battered and bruised. There's nothing on the back itself, but I have high hopes. We might have a kind of complete puzzle and we'll see what it looks like. So let's get straight into it. So here we have the front of the box again, and then the insides. So first off, we're going to get all the corners and edges. So the question is do we think the puzzle is going to be complete or not? Or are we going to have a few missing pieces? So let me know in the comments below before I finish it and see if you were right by the end of it. It does seem like there's a good number, so I don't think we'll be far off if we are missing a couple. Okay, so we're just coming near the end of getting the corner and straight pieces. So there we go, that is the box empty now. And let's move on to actually making the puzzle. So I've realised I've actually started off wrongly. I put the pieces in the top piece of the cardboard box instead of the bottom. So I can't actually see the design of what we're trying to complete. So that was a good start. Oh, we've got our first piece. We've done it now. Completed it. Okay, so I'm stuck on our next piece now. So as you can see there, it does say Ecto 1 on it, but on the box itself, can you see anywhere that says Ecto 1? And it's a side piece as well. So I can't see that on there, so maybe it's come from another piece of a puzzle. So we're going to keep that one to the side and see if we do need it later on. Okay, so we have got all corner and edges, so that's a good sign. And we're back to the pieces that I put down. Okay, so we've got another straight piece here. But it's not from this piece of the puzzle. So I think that same goes with the Ecto as well, that's not a part of it. Right, we're getting down to the last few pieces now, so it should be finished shortly. And we'll see if we've got any more pieces left over. Oh, it's the middle piece. Okay, so that must fit in somewhere. Would you believe it? You're missing one piece. So I've got 4 pieces left over. But one piece is the centre of the ghost. So I have got a couple more pieces of some more Ghostbuster puzzles. And I've got 5 pieces extra. So it's possible that I might actually find the missing piece of this 100 puzzle real Ghostbusters. So there we have it. Oh, it's there! It's there! It was on the actual piece this whole time. There we go. Done it. So that was the real Ghostbusters 100 piece puzzle. I've got all the pieces, plus an extra 5 pieces. So we'll find out what they are to another day. But there we go. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I shall see you in the next one.